Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify local transportation with Uber, full guide step by step clearly.
Open your Uber app on your smartphone. Ensure that your location settings are enabled. Enter your destination in the Where to with field. Tap on the Confirm button to proceed. Select your preferred ride option from the available choices. Review the estimated fare and wait time for your ride. Check the driver's details, including name, vehicle model, and license plate number. Make sure to confirm that your selected pickup location is accurate. If needed, adjust your pickup location by dragging the pin on the map. Once your ride is confirmed, keep an eye on the driver's ETA and location. As your driver approaches, stay at your pickup point and prepare to get in. When your driver arrives, verify their identity by checking their details. Confirm that the vehicle matches what is shown in the app. Once inside, buckle up and enjoy the ride. If you have any issues during the trip, use the in-app support features. After reaching your destination, you can rate your driver and leave feedback. Keep an eye on your email for the trip receipts sent by Uber. If you have any further questions or concerns, visit the Uber help section within the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.